Tim Kaine on the Trump effort to end birthright citizenship. He says it has no legal basis. Chris Graham here, Augusta Free Press. Now, Donald Trump, who is married to an immigrant, fathered children with another immigrant, seems to think he can just end birthright citizenship by waving a magic wand. U.S. Senator Tim Kaine is leading the charge to call BS. Here's a quote from Kaine on the topic. I believe the constitutional basis for birthright citizenship is clear, and those challenging the notion are mounting an argument with no legal basis. Now, Kaine is a former civil rights lawyer and constitutional law professor. Donald Trump, on the other hand, is a former failed businessman and game show host. You can guess who actually knows what he's talking about. The problem that Trump will face in trying to get rid of birthright citizenship is the 14th Amendment to the U.S. Constitution, which states all persons born or naturalized in the United States and subject to the jurisdiction thereof are citizens of the United States. Pretty cut and dry. The only way to reverse a constitutional amendment is with another constitutional amendment, which requires approval by two-thirds of each house of Congress and ratification by three-fourths of the states. That's 38 states out of the 50. Two-thirds of Congress, each house, 38 states. Easy peasy, right? In other words, no, you just can't do it with an executive order, which apparently is what Trump thinks. More from Kaine. If you're born in this country, you're a U.S. citizen. It doesn't matter who your parents are. You have the same opportunities and responsibilities as anyone born in this country. He went ahead to, in a speech on the Senate floor, talked about the positive impact of immigrant households on the U.S. economy. He didn't need to do this, but he did. More than $236 billion in income in 2022, nearly $66 billion in local, state, federal taxes. It's all well and good. The case doesn't need to be made. Trump was somehow elected president again, but he was not elected dictator. If he wants to do something about birthright citizenship, there's a process for that. Two-thirds of the House, two-thirds of the Senate, 38 states signing on. Absent that, he can kick rocks.